Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1961 Plymouth Belvedere. Gorgeous car, retro styling. It's finished in lavender. The front of this car, just amazing. The lavender on the, or the pink I should say, on the insert here beautifully matches the interior. It's got a Thunderbird interior, a wraparound seat. Man, look at that rear view mirror, bitchin'. Also has the floating dash. Gorgeous, gorgeous retro design. It's got a 318 under the hood, power steering, power everything, push button transmission, dual antennas. Look how those taillights look like they're just floating there. Beautiful straight body. Just don't make cars like this anymore. You know, this is a car that people don't even know about, but yet they'll look for, you know, a 59 Caddy or something like that. Push button. That retro design. Pretty. Paint's got a little bit of metallic in it. Beautiful chrome and stainless. It's got custom wheels on it too. These are P215 17 R or 75 R14. Wrapped in white walls, they look brand new. Brand new brake lines on this car. Brand new gas tank. Look how the hood opens. Gonna push this in. There's 318. Power steering, power brakes, new battery. Runs and drives awesome. 12-volt system, dual horns. Beautiful shape. It has the numbers on the inside fender. Pretty. Let me fire it up for you. Yeah, look at this interior. Beautiful. Gorgeous interior. Love how this color here perfectly coincides with this color. You know? Look at the door handle. So cool. Floating dash. It's got the rolling speedometer, kind of like the Thunderbird. Love the turn dash too. So cool. This rear view mirror. Armrest comes up. Beautifully done. Snap on it. guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. We took about 150 photos of this car today. Visit the website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.